Wow, this cafe looks interesting. Let me go inside.
Hello, welcome to Magic Café.
Hi, this place is beautiful.
What do you want to drink today?
What do you recommend?
I recommend the Floating Latte. It's very special.
Floating latte? That sounds interesting. Can I have one, please?
Of course. One moment, please.
How much is it?
It's $5.
Oh my, the coffee is floating.
Yes, this is the magic of our cafe.
This is amazing. How do you do this?
It's a secret.
Thank you so much. Can I drink it now?
Yes, please enjoy.
It tastes delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Yes, of course. What is it?
Do you have other magic drinks?
Yes, we do. We have many. Would you like to try the sparkling green tea?
Sparkling? What does that mean?
It means it has beautiful sparkles, like stars.
That sounds wonderful. I want to try it.
I'm making it now. Please watch carefully.
Okay, I'm watching.
This tea is from Japan. It's very healthy.
Really? That's good. Wow, look at those sparkles. They're beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it. This is so cool.
Here you go. Enjoy your tea.
This tea is wonderful. I feel so relaxed. It's warm and sweet. I want to come here every day.
That's $3, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Would you like anything else?
Yes. What else do you have?
We have golden hot chocolate. It's very popular.
Golden? What makes it golden?
It has special gold magic inside.
That sounds amazing. I'll take one.
This chocolate is from Belgium. It's the best.
Wow, it smells so good.
Wait a little more. It's almost ready.
I can't wait. Incredible! It's flying! And it's golden!
This is our most magical drink.
I've never seen anything like this.
You're very lucky today.
This is delicious. So rich and sweet. I feel so warm and happy. This is the best hot chocolate ever. Thank you so much. I'll come back tomorrow.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow. Hello. Is this the Magic Café? Yes, welcome. What would you like to drink? Magic Café.
where every drink is special. Come and find your magic.
I love this place. Tomorrow, I'll try something new.